good day. Hi, how are you doing? Other such things that I like. Today we'll be replacing the number 47 lamp from a 1012 HeathKit 1962 oscilloscope. Shan't be too hard to explain. First, you'll need a replacement for the number 47 bulb. Ours should be red, ideally speaking. It is, however, scraped off paint-wise. We'll be replacing it instead with an alternative LED. These are from SuperbrightLED out of Earth City. I'm not kidding. That's its name. It's a real place. Sounds like something a supervillain would take over. Not that I've thought about that at any sort of great length. Honestly. Stop looking at me that way. At any rate, this isn't too difficult to explain, but some of you young'uns out there aren't used to a number 47 lamp because they don't use this shit anymore. All you have to do is push in, twist to the left, and pull out, like your girlfriend wanted you to do. Or, to replace it, push in, twist to the right, release, like your boyfriend wanted you to do. Now, today I've got 4 colors here from SuperbrightLED, a company that makes no effort to hide what it actually does. I'll choose a blue for the sake of aesthetics. I will push in, twist, and release, like your mother wanted me to do. Now let's try it out. Awfully goddamn pretty, and a more reasonable alternative. Believe when you're looking for it, it will be registered under a BA9S 12 volt as the reasonable alternative. It's cheaper on the power. Not that anybody really cares how much electricity they use, come on. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to replacing vacuum tubes and paper caps. Have a good day.